so I think today is like the last day for this annual toner. We should like all take a moment and thank you for taking us this long. Sadu. I don't know what I did there. Anyway, I'm preparing to go to Leipzig, and then we're gonna go around. We're gonna eat fried chicken, and we're gonna. I'm in a hurry. How? I went into my eye. Oh, why am I doing this? Why am I in a hurry? Anyway, I have almost 15 minutes. But snail mucin needs like something wet, so I'm gonna close one eye and do this. Anyway, we're going to Leipzig today. I'm gonna go shop in Primark. Primark has the best deals, so we're gonna go shop in Primark, and then in Thuringia there is no KFC, so we're gonna go to KFC and eat some fried chicken. Just the thought of fried chicken makes me so excited. So yeah, let me finish up. I'm gonna use hyaluronic serum, but after my skin has dried up, and then I love urea like 5%. It just like helps me. Urea is good for dry skin, so yeah. And then sunscreen, because wow, now that summer is coming, we cannot forget our sunscreen. So that's what I'm gonna do. And then we are gonna go. I feel like today I'm too overexcited. Am I too overexcited? Okay, bye-bye.
Hi, Joy. Kidogo Lieni hapa na kama mmenyamaza, mko wazuri, watu wasijue tabia zenyu. Nice. Chicken sarap. Yan yung menu nito? Ni chicken. Okay, ini ya. Hello Kitty. Yeah, AirPods. Babe. Yani mzuri. Ooh la la. I might actually take these. What's test vizuri? Meza zinanitestianga vizuri either way. Ni KFC. Get a big one. Morning.
Scott must have walked across the room with 3 guns in order to execute Mancuso.
Well, I'd say it's a pretty solid chain of events, considering all we had prior to this was Colonel Mustard in the study with a candlestick. The only one who can confirm or deny the details is Talbot himself.
Let's bring him in. What? Don't just. Ouch. Oh, it burns.
Having pancakes. So let's go make some. So let's make some pancakes. Yay.
I'm John Cannell, and today on Perfect Kitchen we're making some golden, fluffy, delicious pancakes. So let's get started.
I remember when I was in Kenya, and then my mom would wake up in the morning and tell us, today we are making pancakes, and then I would make like these really delicious coconut pancakes. But since this is like an impulse decision, I'm just gonna make normal pancakes. Those pancakes were amazing. So I don't have any milk today, so we are gonna use yogurt. I had to add some milk later because the yogurt made it so dense. I don't know if you know my meaning, but they were so delicious. I've been drinking a lot of milk coffee lately, but I don't want to do a lot of dairy because of my acne, so I'm gonna go back to almond. And the best way I find for milking almond coffee is by using iced coffee recipe, and I really love it. So here is my breakfast. It's as delicious as it looks. Let's enjoy. I have to go pick a package from DHL, but I decided to first go through do some grocery run because tomorrow the supermarket is not open because it's a Sunday, and in Germany everybody rests on a Sunday. So we're just gonna pick up a few grocery things and then gonna pick up our package from DHL. I ordered some things from Temu, and I'm really hoping they are actually good because Temu, you never know.
Yeah, so nimechukua hii. Walikuwa na kufinya. Ama yako sio nini babe? Thank you.
So I got this frother because now there's no more shaking. I can just like froth my coffee. And then I got this for my roommate. She wanted to order, but the shipping fee was not like enough, so I got her that. I got myself a laptop stand, some new shower, how is this called, the one that you used to scrub, loofahs, yeah, because mine were getting up there. So oh, this is small. I knew they were gonna be small, but I love this for scrubbing your bar. Yeah, this is big, and this one is even better. Okay, and then I got myself a belt because mine is like getting up there. And then this, we're gonna make dumplings next week, so I got this for making dumplings. Okay, back to movie.